with WTI, and I have the COSORI air fryer. So I love this air fryer. I was looking for a healthier way to make French fries and chicken fingers or chicken wings, and this is a really amazing machine. It has so many different functions. When you turn it on, it has all these presets, so it even will do bacon if you want to, which is awesome because then you don't have to worry about frying bacon in a pan and all the oil going everywhere. It keeps everything contained here, and it does a really good job. So if you don't like the presets, you can even come in here and you can adjust the time and the temperature however you like it. What I really love about this one too is the size of it. It's about 5.8 quarts, and it comes apart. So all the oil will stay at the bottom. You can remove this little basket and then you can dump it over without worrying about any of the oil going back onto your food, which I love. Is a really great feature. And also for safety, it will not turn on until this basket is securely back inside. So what I want to show you is how it will make, I have these frozen pieces of mahi, and it will cook this mahi with 15 minutes, no preheating, so much faster than regular oven. It'll even do vegetables, it'll roast vegetables, so it does so much more than just, you know, what you think an air fryer will do, which is, you know, French fries and chicken fingers. It does so much more. So I'm gonna see you back here and I'm gonna show you what it does. Hey guys, and we're back and it is done. So I wanna show you what it did. You can hear it sizzling. So I threw some fries in there because why not? But look at how beautiful that mahi looks in there. I'm gonna put it on a plate real quick and show you guys. Look at how beautiful it made that mahi. It's flaky, it's done all the way through, just 15 minutes. Look at that, gorgeous. So definitely recommend getting this air fryer. It can do so many different functions, you'll love it. And that's my point of view.